Good morning, students of class 10. Welcome back to the classes now. We'll continue our lesson in history. The Rinderpest or the cattle disease 2.4. Yesterday or in our previous class we were talking about the Europeans adopted various methods to force them to work in their plantation mines. Now what they did was they raised the taxes so that the people had to work and pay the taxes. Even the inheritance laws were also changed. Only one member of the family was allowed to inherit the land and property, and others were pushed to the labor market, and so on. We are talking about, and we have talked about at the last that then came the Rinderpest. Now we will follow this. Now the Rinderpest or the cattle disease 2.4. Rinderpest arrived in Africa in the year 1880, late 1880s. Rinderpest arrived there. How did it come? It was carried by infected cattle meat, not live, infected cattle meat from British Asia. British Asia means like India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Burma. These are British Asia, Malaysia. So it was carried by infected cattle meat from British Asia to feed the Italian soldiers, to feed the invading troops. Italian soldiers invading East Africa. These Europeans, or you can say the Italians, they landed in East Africa and they had their troops. To feed the troops, they brought infected meat, cattle meat. Number 3. The Rinderpest, a cattle disease, moved west. The disease is spread towards the west like wildfire. It spread very, very fast. Do you know why? As the animals in Africa, the domesticated animals, the cattle, you can say that, domesticated animals in Africa were not immune to that disease, to this Rinderpest. This was an Asian disease. The cattle, they used to get this disease in Asia. India, Sri Lanka, Burma, Malaysia, Bangladesh. These are Asian countries. So, but in Africa, which is a continent surrounded by water on all sides, continent here, these animals, the domesticated animals, they never knew about this disease. They were not immune to that. So the disease, number 4, the disease reached the western coast by 1892. Italian soldiers landed in the eastern coast of Africa and the disease is spread from the eastern side and it reached the western coast, that is towards Atlantic Ocean coast, by 1892. That means how many years it took for them? 1880 and 1892. That means 12 years. It took 12 years to reach the western coast, because Africa is a vast continent. So it took 12 years to reach the western coast of Africa. It reached the southern tip of Africa. The southern tip of Africa, that is the Cape of Good Hope, in 1897, 5 years. From eastern side, it took 12 years to reach the western side. But from here, it took only 5 years to reach the southern part of Africa, southernmost part of Africa. You can imagine now how fast the disease is spread over there. Rinderpest, number 6. Rinderpest killed 90% of the cattle in Africa. Previously we were talking about the people in Africa never thought of working for wages. They never needed. But now 90% of the cattle in Africa were killed by this disease. They died. So That means only 10% are left. So when 90% of the cattle were dead, so that means the people, they lost their livelihood. Now they had to work for the wages. They were pushed into the labor market. So you can see the disease changed their lifestyle. The disease changed their livelihood. The picture of of Africa. The loss of cattle destroyed African livelihood. Naturally, when 90% of the cattle, they were killed by this disease or died, the loss of cattle destroyed African livelihood. Now they had nothing to live on. Planters, now here is a chance for the Europeans, the planters, mine owners and the European governments now successfully, easily monopolize whatever they want, they can do it. Monopolize to strengthen power. Now the Africans are helpless. The Europeans to strengthen power and to force African into the labor market. Render pays played an important role here. It helped the Europeans and ultimately conquer, subdue and take over Africa. Ultimately, this will pave the way for the European conquest of Africa. So that's all for today. I hope you have understood this very clear. Now here are 8 points. You can copy this out if you want, or you can go through the book. 2.4, render paste. So we'll meet in the next class. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you are staying safe and doing your regular studies. As every day I'm telling you that make a habit of going through the videos. Make good use of your time and money as well as your net packs. That's all. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you for watching the video. That's all for today.